Hello and welcome to your past life reading. And let's see here what sign is next. So, welcome Leo to your past life reading. I will put a past life spread here and we'll catch up with the energies that's a part of you and your life in this life and see what you can learn from the past life. And we will look at the end of this reading on your life lesson, your learning in this life. So we'll put out some cards here from the deck Awakening for Memory. Oh, suicide. Put some shivers on my back. It's an uncomfortable energy. So this reading starts with the energy how this life actually ended. Okay. And indigenous tribal. So that was a part of this past life. The tribal. Oops, this was too many. We put them back and see if we can get one more jumper from this deck. I think this one wanted to come out. Marine. So, suicide, indigenous, tribal, and marine. So, this has something about sea traveling. Okay, let's put out another 3 cards from the Life Path deck. See if we can get out some more about this past life. Unrequited love. Okay. So there was some problems here. Some blockages here about love. Too many, we put them back here. See if we can get one to come out. 2 more cards here for Leo. Okay. Finances. There was too many though. 1 more card for Leo. Too many again. Okay. 1 more card for Leo here. 1 more card. Okay. Celtic. There will be 1 more card here. Karmic relationships. Okay. I sense here that a significant partner is central here in this reading. And this Celtic cross does not connect with me yet here. And it had something with money to do here. I get this feeling about people from different social levels. that maybe not so much about money. This is much more cross love over social boundaries. Yeah, I send. Let's see. Yes, this is. I sense this is the blockage card. This is the blockage card here. The church, the religion is the blockage card here. And let's see what's in this card. Oh, I sense this is a black person. So there was not only a social hierarchy blockage, it was also a race blockage. I don't get a location here, but I sense here it's about travel on water. And oh, I get so much sad energies here. It's like this person here traveled on water, like a slave ship. And oh, so much sad energies. Let's put on the 10 card spread, and we will get some more details out of this. Guides tell me, do you want to go here? Do you want to go here? No, this person didn't want to go here. This person didn't want to go here. This person didn't want to go here. We have the 5 of Cups, the first position. Don't do reversals with this deck. So we have the 2 of Pentacles, the juggling energy. No, I don't want to go here. And if it was a Leo energy, it was a very fierce resistance. Don't want to go here. And then we have the Page of Pentacles in the 3rd position. Yes. The World in the 4th. And the King of Wands in the the Queen of Wands in the 5th position, and the King of Wands in the 6th position. Oh, big fight here. And the Ace of Cups in the 7th position. I don't know, but I sensed that this card wanted to come out here. So let's put it there. And 2 of Wands in the 9th position. 3 of Swords in the 8th position. and the High Priestess in the 10th. So let's see here. 5 of Cups. Who was I in the past life? And I sense that this is a worker's energy. A little of the everyday life, but work was work, and work with the soils, the basic work. This is a very grounded energy, and it's some type of out of the life path, because there was much more other resources that was not used. It was yes. And here where did I live? And I sense that you started to live in one place and then you did go to another place, but the old place was always in your mind. It was like an eternally in your mind, and in your, this is a grounded energy, so it was inside your body. This energy was traveling around about your roots and the present, your roots and the present. Was I happy? And I sense here that that there you were in some kind happy in on the outside you was broken, but inside you was not broken. You was not controlled. You still had your mind inside you not broken, because there was always a hope. There was always an energy flow of hope that shed light in your life. That's did make your life work. And who was my soulmate? And here we have the world card. It's the most, it's the closing of a cycle. It's a very, very strong energy. So you had your soulmate in this life. But I sense here that this soulmate was left behind. And I can see the tears running down here on you. Because she's not around you. I sense she's on the old place and you are alone on the new place. Okay. The Queen of Wands. Is it the same soulmate from this life? And I would say yes. This is the same soulmate in this life. This is the same soulmate in this life. Did I have children? And I sense here that this is you, Leo. So I have a yes on this. You did have children, but I do not sense that you had children with your soulmate, with your karmic relationship, because that did get broken. And at the end, I sense that the person that was left behind did actually commit suicide. But you did have children in that past life. What did I do? And it's a funny card because for me this is black person in slavery, and then we get the one of cups here. And what did I do? Yeah, you did something very basic in that life. And I sense that what did hold you up, like what was making you happy, it was memories from you did work, and what made you work and what made you function was memories from your karmic relationship. And here, this is a very exciting card. This, how did you die? Because this is flip side of Three of Swords, and that's usually the card for heartache, feeling heartbroken, and you was heartbroken, but you did not die from that. But when you died, your heart was alone. You was alone in heart. And it was not, even if we see swords here and the flower coming up, it's more like it was not a dramatic death, but it planted the seed, the flower, to be able to meet my karmic relationship in a new life. This is a closing and showing a new beginning in this gray, not so fertile area that when the death take place here, something new can grow up and a new possibility. So what was my life lesson? And here we have the lion again. And I sense here that you have, this is also a two that connect here with the twos. And I sense 2 is a very important number here. So this is a choice, a decision. And you decided in that life that you will persevere and not let hope abandon you. Hope is an important life energy, and that helped you through in that life. And to see beyond what's here and now, not with avoiding here and now, not avoiding being present, but be able to connect to the dream, to the hope of something. So what do I need to learn in this life? And the High Priestess here is the connection to the subconscious, to to the greater, to the divine, to cosmos. And you have learned a lot. You have your book that you can withdraw wisdom from. And the two pillars here could be yes, no, black, white, that you're in the position to make wise decisions. So your life lesson here, let's see if it can get clearer here. It is something about it's about taking decision. It is about wisdom, connecting with the subconscious, connection with the greater all. I sense that your life path here is about creating connections, facilitate connections, be the connector. Be the connector, that's your life path. And you, Leo, you are a straightforward, direct, fiery, decisive, directive person. So you can assist people with guidance, with direction, to connect, to be connected, to stay connected, and facilitate this connection. Okay, let's see what assistance you have within you and from the divine. Yes, I sense that this was a new information for you. This was an illumination that some area you not seen before. Get the flashlight and the light on it. This is expression, positivity, and joy, and inspiration. Expression, positivity, and joy, and inspiration. So if you walk your life path about creating connections and making connections, you will be assisted. You will find your expression. You will find the positivity and joy in your life, and you will be inspired. That will be a growth path for you. Okay, I hold there. I hope this was helpful for you, Leo, and have a great month, and see you again. Bye-bye, Leo.